Hi there, this is Todd Heiler with Innovative Concrete Solutions. We're over here on a pour for a hot tub and spa coming in. We're doing the base for the kit to sit on right now. And we got the pumpers today, and we got Knife River Concrete. And we are working on the hydraulic well right now for the kit. And right here will be the future spa. Over here we got the pool. Hi there, this is Todd Heiler with Innovative Concrete Solutions. We got a concrete pour up here in Eugene today for a swimming pool and a spa. Spa is right over here. We're doing the base pad for the kits to sit on currently. Then we'll be extending our concrete pours up vertically after this cures out. So right now the guys are working in the well right here and getting the area done along that side over there. For the guys in the orange, that's actually the auto cover side of this kit over here, and that back portion, that is actually where all the equipment sits on. So a little pre-pour for a future swimming pool here in Eugene. Hi there, this is Todd with Innovative Concrete Solutions. I'm over here on a pour in Eugene with the crew. They are working on the swimming pool right now for a Rainbow Valley project. We are working on getting this all troweled out for the preform for the base of the swimming pool kit to get installed on. Where the rebar verticals, we will extend up the pour for the swimming pool after the kit's walls have been installed. We got pumpers out here today, working on getting everything flat and troweled out for the next pour coming up later. Everything's going perfect like usual. Hi there, this is Todd with Innovative Concrete Solutions. I'm working on a pour out here in Eugene with the guys. They are working on the swimming pool of this two-part pour today. Up behind him is where the spa pad is going to go. Eventually we will extend our rebar up for the second pour. But today the guys are just working on the base pour right here, which is the retaining section of this job. Lots of concrete coming in here today. We're gonna have 4 total trucks to get this done. We got the cutout for the hydraulic well over there. And we have the auto cover side of this job right behind the guy in the orange there. Spa is sitting up on the hill. It will have an auto cover, or a foam cover, not an auto cover over there. And all the electrical and the plumbing and everything will sit on that pop out off the back, get reconnected into this building over here. Everything's going perfect today. Everything's looking good.